Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mini body cameras with audio that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the mini body camera 1080p by Kazunlink. This camera features full HD 1080p resolution, making it suitable for capturing crystal clear video and audio during activities like travel, walks, and patrols. It comes with a pre-installed 64GB memory card, which is a great bonus, allowing you to store up to 10 hours of footage right out of the box without an additional purchase. The camera also offers 2 recording modes: loop recording to ensure continuous footage and motion detection for capturing specific incidents. With a 1000 mAh rechargeable battery, it provides 4 to 6 hours of video recording and supports charging while in use for extended sessions. Design-wise, the Kazunlink camera is compact and lightweight at just 3.52 ounces, making it easy to wear or mount using its versatile clip system. However, the device lacks magnet-based mounting options, which limits placement creativity. The video playback feature is intuitive, allowing users to connect the camera directly to a PC or use a card reader. While Kazunlink's camera delivers solid performance, its battery life and 1080p resolution place it slightly behind higher-ranked competitors that boast 4K video or extended recording time. In terms of value, this camera is ideal for law enforcement officers, security personnel, or anyone looking for reliable, straightforward recording capabilities. However, it doesn't quite stand out among the competition due to a slightly dated resolution and middle-tier battery life. Pros include ease of use, loop recording, and the included memory card, while cons are the absence of 4K resolution and somewhat limited design versatility. Taking the number 4 spot is the Wearable mini body camera GH77. This compact camera offers 1080p video resolution and includes a 64GB memory card, ensuring ample storage for 5 hours of video or 6 hours of audio recording. One of its standout features is its motion detection capability, which automatically begins recording when movement is detected, perfect for capturing spontaneous moments or monitoring activity in your surroundings. The GH77 supports loop recording, eliminating the need for manual file management by overwriting older footage. In terms of design, the GH77 is incredibly lightweight, weighing just 1.22 ounces, and features a magnetic clip for easy attachment to pockets, helmets, or desktops. Its portability makes it ideal for outdoor sports, cycling, or even casual use around the home. The camera also allows recording while charging, which is particularly handy for long sessions. However, the 1080p resolution feels dated compared to newer 4K models, and its compact size may limit battery capacity, with a maximum recording time of about 5 hours. This camera is best suited for users who prioritize convenience and simplicity in a lightweight package. It's perfect for travelers, pet owners, and those looking to capture day-to-day activities without fuss. The pros include motion detection, loop recording, and ultra-lightweight design, while the cons are limited resolution and moderate battery life. Ranked number 3 is the mini body camera by Catchallway, a versatile and user-friendly option for everyday use. This camera features 1080p resolution and includes a pre-installed 64GB memory card, allowing users to record video without any setup or additional purchases. Its standout feature is the ultra-lightweight design, just 1.76 ounces, with a magnetic clip that securely attaches to pockets, backpacks, or even metal surfaces like car dashboards. The camera offers loop recording and 3 hours of video or 7 hours of audio recording on a single charge, and it supports recording while charging for uninterrupted use. The Catchallway camera is designed with simplicity in mind, utilizing a 3-button operation system for video, audio, and photo capture. While it doesn't boast 4K resolution or advanced features, its affordability and ease of use make it a practical choice for casual users and those seeking an entry-level body camera. Its compact size and magnetic clip make it perfect for recording interactions, monitoring pets, or capturing unique POV footage during outdoor activities. This mini body camera is a great option for budget-conscious buyers who need a reliable yet straightforward device. Pros include its lightweight build, ready-to-use memory card, and magnetic clip, while cons are its limited resolution and shorter battery life compared to higher-tier models. Coming in at number 2 is the Wearable 128GB FHD Mini Body Camera H88. This thumb-sized camera combines portability with practicality, offering 1080p resolution and a generous 128GB of storage for extended recording sessions. Its magnetic pendant and safety cord allow users to mount it virtually anywhere, around the neck, on clothing, or even on metal surfaces. The 360-degree rotatable back clip adds flexibility, making this camera ideal for hands-free recording during travel, work, or security surveillance. The H88's design is impressively compact, measuring just 64.5 by 28 by 20 millimeters and weighing 5.6 ounces. Its user-friendly operation is a highlight, with a single button for starting and stopping recordings. Additionally, this camera is compatible with various environments, from monitoring babies or pets to safeguarding your home or office. While its 1080p resolution and 128GB storage provide solid performance, it lacks advanced features like 4K recording or extended battery life. This camera is perfect for users seeking a lightweight, versatile device for multi-purpose use. Pros include its compact design, extensive storage, and flexible mounting options, while cons are the lack of higher resolution and relatively short battery life compared to competitors. Finally, at number 1, we have the HJBDGS Body Camera 4K 30fps. This camera is a standout option, offering 4K resolution at 30 frames per second for ultra-clear video and audio recording. It comes with a 128GB memory card, ensuring plenty of storage space with loop recording functionality. The camera's magnetic design allows for quick and easy mounting on clothing, bicycles, helmets, or metal surfaces, making it ideal for vlogging, cycling, and other outdoor activities. Weighing just 0.11 pounds, this compact device is highly portable and easy to carry. The HJBDGS camera excels in performance, delivering high-quality footage with a wide range of applications. Its 800 mAh battery supports 90 minutes of 4K recording, and the ability to record while charging ensures uninterrupted use for longer sessions. One downside is the shorter battery life compared to lower resolution models, but the superior video quality more than compensates for this limitation. The camera's build quality is robust, and its compatibility with various accessories like tripods and selfie sticks adds versatility. This camera is ideal for users who demand top-tier video quality and reliable performance for sports, travel, or professional use. Pros include 4K resolution, ample storage, and versatile mounting options, while cons are shorter battery life and a slightly higher learning curve for beginners. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.